Drive the 2014 Lincoln MKS. With standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade, the Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it is also powerfully smart. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, cruise control, universal garage door opener, crash sensors, power windows, power door locks, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.